Hello viewers, it's my Minute IS Academy and today we are going to see how to complete current affairs within just 60 days. We just have 60 days for our exam, and within this 60 days we need to complete static as well as dynamic topics, and for that we need a plan. So we are going to discuss how to complete this current affairs within the 60 days. For current affairs, you can rely on three types of materials. One is day-to-day current affairs, another one is monthly current affairs, and then we have yearly current affairs. The day-to-day current affairs have detailed information. Yeah, it is good for you. In day-to-day current affairs, you need to read the newspaper as well as you need to read the Press Information Bureau. And apart from that, there are some day-to-day compilations which is released by some online websites. You can rely on that also. But now we have only 60 days, and within this 60 days, we need to complete the current affairs for 18 months, which is not possible if you read the day-to-day current affairs. So skipping this method, and we can go for yearly current affairs, but yearly compilation does not have enough information which is needed for a exam. So yearly current affairs do not have enough information, so we can skip this also. You can go for monthly current affairs, but generally in monthly current affairs there will be around 100 pages. But there are 18 months, 100 into 18, we have 1800 pages which you can't complete within this short span of time, 60 days. If you need to read this 1800 pages, and if you need to read it again and again, if you want to memorize those stuff, it will be so difficult. So what you can do is you can rely on the monthly current affairs of Insights IAS. Insights IAS release a monthly compilation, and in this Insights monthly compilation, they release a topic called as Fact for Prelims. Fact for Prelims will be the last topic in their monthly current affairs, and read that Fact for Prelims. The Fact for Prelims will be around 10 pages. It will be around 10 to 15 pages. Read those 10 pages again and again. For completing this Fact for Prelims for a single month, you will be taking only 1 hour. Within an hour, you can complete the entire Fact for Prelims for a month, and within a hour you can read around 100 facts. It will be containing around 100 factual information, so you can complete 100 facts within just a hour, which will be very useful for your UPSC exam. In this Fact for Prelims, they contain places in news, they contain species in news, they contain all the new inventions, government schemes, international relations, everything will be given in this Fact for Prelims. So it covers all the topics, it covers all the subject current affairs. So read the Fact for Prelims first. This is the first step which you should do while completing the current affairs, so which takes 1 hour. Then the second step which you should do is testing. For completing the current affairs, what you should do is you should prepare for your current affairs, and then you should test yourself, because testing is the most important thing which is needed for your UPSC civil service exam, because the questions will be asked in such a manner which you should be able to answer. It will be so difficult. You should know the way in which questions are asked. For that you should have testing. And for testing your own knowledge, you can go for 2 resources. One is from Insights IAS monthly current affair quiz. Insights release a monthly current affair quiz which contain 120 questions. You can take a test of it, and after taking a test, solve it completely. In the Insights monthly current affair quiz, they have 2 PDFs. One PDF is of questions which has 18 to 20 pages, and the another PDF is for the answers which contain 50 to 70 pages. And completing these questions, after taking your own test, read the answers again and again, and also write the answers near the question paper. So this will be very important for your exam. And after completing the Fact for Prelims, if you are going to take the Insights quiz, you can answer around 20 to 30% of the question only, because the Insights monthly current affair quiz will be a little bit different from the Fact for Prelims which is given by their own website. So after taking it, you will be answering only 20 to 30% of the questions, which is very low. So then what you need to know is you need to go for the 3rd level of testing. For the 3rd level of testing, you should rely on some other website, because if you are going to rely on the same website again and again, you are going to see the same information which they are giving. So if you are going to rely on the 3rd website, you can see where you are standing, because UPSC is going to make their own questions, right? So for testing your knowledge, you should rely on the 3rd website, and that is Drishti. In Drishti also, they release a monthly current affair quiz in which they won't give an answer explanation, in which they won't be giving answer explanation, but still they will be giving key for the answer. They will be giving the answers, but they will not be giving the explanation for their answers. In Drishti monthly current affair quiz, Drishti also releases a monthly current affair quiz, and in Drishti monthly current affair quiz, they have part 1 as well as part 2. Take part 1 test first, and then see the marks, and then take part 2 test. After completing this Fact 4 Prelims, Insights Monthly Current Affair Quiz and Drishti Part 1 and Part 2 test, you are ready for that particular month. Say if you are taking for January 2021, after reading the Fact 4 Prelims within 1 hour and after solving this 120 questions from the Insights Monthly Current Affair Quiz, which might take 1 day, and if you need to check all the answers and if you need to remember all those answers, it will be taking around 1 day. And after that, read the Drishti Part 1 and Part 2, solve the Drishti Part 1 and Part 2, take 2 tests, and after all this, you will be ready for that particular month. And while taking Drishti, you can answer around 50 to 60% of the questions which Drishti is asking from the particular month, which means you are almost ready for that particular month. So after reading the Drishti's answer also, you will be 100% ready for that particular month. Repeat the same process for every month. For every month, read the Fact 4 Prelims, and after reading the Fact 4 Prelims, test your own self. For testing, you can rely on Insights Monthly Current Affair Quiz as well as Drishti Monthly Current Affair Quiz. After completing both these things, you are ready for the particular month. Do this for all the 18 months and that's it. You are ready for current affairs. So this is the method which I follow for completing the current affairs within a short span of time. You can also try this and this will be really working. And that's it guys. Subscribe to My Lemonade IAS Academy. Thank you.